Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll. Welcome to my new bathroom. What do you think of my new bathroom? Ceiling is done. New paint, new surround, new shower curtain. We still want to get, we're going to buy these new. And we do have new trim. This will be done later. We're getting all new doors for the hallway. That's not going to be done right now. And we're going to do something about, like this is, I like this towel holder. It is nice, but we want it out of here so we have more room, and we'll be putting something up over the toilet, I think, coming up. We got still work to do, but the majority of it's done. And here we are. There we are. And there we are. And here we are. Now, you're wondering what this is about. My daughter has a wonderful little cat named Polar. And so we thought that what we would do is put a shelf up for him right over here. But it didn't work. He jumps over here and he wants to scratch the wall up. So we had to take the shelf down. My daughter sealed it all back up again, repainted again, and we put this carpet so he could claw up the window. When this window opens, when this window opens, he wants to be up in that window. And if we open it up, because we just want fresh air in here, we can't. Because he'll claw up this part of the wall. So sometimes you have to go put up with a little bit of not quite what you're looking for, but we don't mind because we love Polar. And we want to make this house about him just as well. This is his world just as well, and we're living in his world. He's not living in ours, as we come to talk about. We have a new fan, all brand new, all brand new. There we go. Wow, new heater, new heater. There we go. Oh, and a birthday boy tomorrow. He's a birthday boy. Yes, he is. When are you going to say happy birthday, Pepper? I'm going to be 4 years old. Yeah, I'm going to be 4 years old tomorrow. Yeah, dance. Woo! Woo!
We still have to do some caulking around the tub.
Yeah, we still have.
You might see cracks.
Yeah, like that crack.
Get filled in.
That crack right there will get filled in.
Yeah.
We got things that we're going to do of our own. But this is it here. We love the shower's beautiful.
Oh, and show the bluebird paint, Mom. Show that color.
Oh yeah, this is called Bluebird.
Bluebird. There it is.
Bluebird. This is called Bluebird. Yep. So it by Bear. So if you want this color, that's what you got to ask for, or look for the little paint swab. I pointed it out with my daughter when we were at the Home Depot, and I said, "There it is. There's the color."
Yeah.
I like that, didn't I?
Yeah, you picked it out yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, show off your Dumbo. Your Dumbo.
Oh yeah, there's my Dumbo. Sitting on that little shelf up there. There he is. All right, well everybody, I hope you like what we've done. Improvements all the time. Slowly, we're going to work on this house here now. All right, everybody, thank you for joining me. You want to jump in and have a shower? Go ahead, everybody, all my channel people. Okay, talk to you later. We'll see you in a little bit there. All right, bye-bye.